the 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This is a pickup truck powered by a V6 4.3-liter engine. With a 6-speed automatic transmission, this 4-wheel drive pickup truck is well equipped. This Chevrolet features privacy glass, hill start assist, and 4-wheel drive. Safety features include dual front airbags, OnStar, and 4-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include cruise control, air conditioning, and satellite radio. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
Davidson-Gebhardt Chevrolet and Subaru of Loveland are conveniently located right on I-25 and exit 259 in Loveland.